What's up, everyone? This is a good friend of mine's Kawasaki ER-6n. Here's the gas tank looking nasty. My friend came over a couple of weeks ago and brought these parts, so we were able to sand them and get them into 2K primer. Here we are dry sanding with 400, and then we're going to wet sand everything with 600. And I love getting a chance to work with friends and when they swing by and get hands on their own project. It's really cool. It's really fun. It makes the day more enjoyable, and here we go. So here's where I plan to hang some of those motorcycle parts. I fabricated some of these 2x4s or 1x4s just to kind of give me a stand to be able to rotate and hang some of them so they're not just laying across the table. This is strongly recommended when you have a bunch of different little parts, so that they are off the table, they're not just laying flat, and you have accessible to all the way around. Basically, you can spin the thing around. We have some burn through here, so we're going to address that now, but we are going to address it with 1K automotive primer. So it's a 1-part primer, shake and go, and it works just fine on parts where you get to bare metal, like right there. Anywhere there is burn through either on metal or plastic parts, you want to go back and cover with some primer. I always do at least 2 coats with 10 minutes in between each coat so that they cure, and then you can go back and lightly scuff it with 600 grit before you, or 400, whatever floats your boat, before you spray them. Here are the other pieces waiting for that 600 grit scuff before we lay base. Everything's looking really good. This is again the automotive 1K primer that we're using. Highly recommended. There's a huge pack in Amazon, friendly pricing. This was a backup just in case we didn't have enough with the pint that my friend bought, and it was already pre-reduced, so it's just a pint that we're getting out of that. And here's the 600 grit that we're stuffing everything down before we lay base. And here we go, laying down some metallic flat black sparkle. Let it go. Shout out to my brother-in-law, Daniel-san, for the beats.